Oh my god, I'm nervous. I just got concealer on my microphone. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today I did this super wearable look. I think it's perfect for like prom. I think it's perfect. You could even wear this to like your business job. I can't even. No, this is not a wearable look. So this is my very first look of this new series that I'm going to be doing. I'm a marine biologist. I have my bachelor's of science in marine biology, and I really thought that it would be fun to do some artsy looks on different kinds of fish, and put it in with my other favorite thing to do, which is makeup. I decided to start with a very well-known fish. Do you guys know what it is? So this is the very common clownfish that everybody knows of. It's called the Micellar clownfish. Actually, clownfish is actually a genus. It's other anemone fish. There's actually a whole bunch of other types of clownfish that you can find. This is just the really common one that everyone knows of because of Finding Nemo, and they're the most really stark difference. The rest of them only have some of those white lines, so they are not endangered. There is no concern to their health. They're a tropical species. They're usually found in the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, and they're mostly in like northern Australia, southern Asia kind of areas where you see a lot of coral reefs. So this specific genus is also called the Anenome fish. They all live for the most part in anemones, which typically other fish would stay away from because they have stingers, just like jellyfish. Anemones actually are related to jellyfish. But they usually were classified by color, not by where they lived, but they have changed around phylogeny, and now they've kind of figured out that they all, for the most part, are actually related, and the ones that weren't are now pushed into other families and genus and so on. So specifically, the Micellar clownfish, also known as false percula clownfish or common clownfish, they're very small. So they are only about 5 inches long, which is pretty small. That's actually the biggest that they can get, so that's like the large female of their group. Typically they're a lot smaller. And clownfish have a really cool social hierarchy. So the very largest one is the large female. And she is the one that all the little males kind of take care of, and they kind of all protect her. They all kind of have her as their queen. And if that large female does happen to pass away, then one of the larger males will then switch his sex into a female, which is kind of cool to continue all that going on. It's pretty cool. Clownfish are pretty awesome creatures. I love them because they always look super grumpy. Like all their faces are like, look up pictures of them. They're so cute. But yeah, everyone knows of clownfish because of Finding Nemo, and I actually really think that they did a good job on how everything is run in Finding Nemo. Yeah, so if you guys have any other questions about clownfish, leave a comment down below and I'll answer to the best of my ability. And I would love that. And onto the makeup. Thank you for listening to my rambles. Onto the makeup. If you guys want to see how I do this look, just follow along. Okay. So I already have my eyebrows on and my eyes are primed and set, and I am ready to go. I'm going to be using my, did you guess it? My 35B palette, just because this is where I have my brightest colors, and I feel like just none of my other palettes have the color range that I'm looking for. So obviously I'm going in with orange today. So I'm gonna be using this one right here for the most part. I'm just going to be going in with a fluffy brush that I think I may have gotten off of Wish. It doesn't have a name on it. And I'm just gonna be starting with that bright orange. And just popping it into my crease. And then I'm going to be using a clean, fluffy brush just to blend out those edges, because I know this is a bright color. Do you think that's bright enough? So the traditional clownfish has 3 white stripes down its side, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to be able to do 3 without it taking over my entire eye. I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. I'm just going to do the same thing as if I was cutting my crease. I'm going to start with the center one. Start there. And then do one on the inner corner. Eyeliner afterwards and clean that up. And then one on the outer corner. And then I'm going to be using this little tiny Luxie flat shader brush in 221T, and I'm going to be going in with my white eyeshadow and packing that on top. Actually, I think this brush is too big. I'll be going in with just a tiny flat brush, really pack that white on there. Okay, and then I'm just going to outline that white with my NYX black liner. This is gonna be difficult. Put them together. And then I'm going to just line my actual lash line with that liner. And then I'm also going to line in my crease. And I really want to like accentuate how cute their little tail is, but I'm not really sure how to do that. Let's see, this might be awful, but then I am gonna go in with that flat shader brush with a little bit of the orange just to put it back on above that liner and then blend it out. It looks super funny with my eye open. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I will be right back. Okay, I am back and I am so beautiful. So this is the eye look. It was so hard to try and get this symmetrical and it totally is not at all. I put the middle one way too close to the center and it's pissing me off, but I don't have the patience to redo it completely. But yeah, so I just cleaned up the shadow under my eyes and then I am going to just do my face makeup and then I will be right back. Okay, now that my face makeup is all set, I'm just gonna put a little bit, very small amount of orange under my eyes. I feel like it's just missing. And then the next step is I'm just going to be putting on mascara and lashes. I'm just going to do that off camera because, again, I'm not super comfortable doing my lashes just yet. So I don't really want you guys to see it yet. I'm going to be using my Adelle fauxmink Wispies. I'll be using these, and I will be right back. Okay, and I'm back. I struggled a little bit with these lashes because I don't really like the clear band because I feel like you can see the band. It doesn't blend with my black eyeliner very well, so I went through and I filled in a bunch of pieces with black eyeliner. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but whatever. I'm just using NYX Lingerie in Bedtime Flirt. A little bit of setting spray just to blend everything together. Okay, this is the final look. It's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. I think it's super wearable. I'm totally gonna wear this to work another day. Actually, I shouldn't say that. I work at an aquarium. That wouldn't be weird. But I should totally wear this to an office job. I could totally wear this on a date. You think? I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. It's not the clean, like the lines aren't the cleanest or anything like that. I'm working on it. But I'm really excited that this is the first one of the series. I think I did really well for it being the first one. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked the fun facts that I said in the beginning. If you guys have any suggestions on what kind of fish you want me to do, leave a comment down below. If you liked this video, give me a big thumbs up so I know that I should continue this series. I love it, and I think that it really has to do with me, so I really hope that you guys like it. But yeah, if you guys like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I just hit 30 subscribers the other day, and I'm so proud of myself. I know 30 is not a lot. I know. And yeah, I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.